Hi, welcome to fourth grade at OVE. I am Miss Washington Adams. I'm your scholars fourth grade math teacher for the 2025-2026 school year. And I am pleased to say we have mastered the first half week or piece of a week of back to school. The first 2 days of back to school was a awesome moments. And like we said, game on. They already know. We coming in, we have our game face on. We ready. We know our skills. We know the skills that's gonna need to rock fourth grade math. And I am pleased as punch just to be your scholars, your little darlings math teacher this year. So today this video is to introduce myself. I am Miss Washington Adams, and of course if you have received my my little bio from Back to School Bash, you basically know pretty much who I am. I've been teaching for 21 years. This is my 21st year in education. Woo! Teaching ranging from 6th grade all the way to 4th grade now. I've done 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, special ed covered kindergarten all the way to 5th grade. And I have enjoyed my journey thus far in education and teaching students. I get a great joy of watching children learn and figuring math out. It's like, oh, I didn't know that. Or those that didn't like math, they are to like math. Just a little snippet in case you did not know also that this channel is only geared to showing parents what goes on in a course of a school day that's needed to help them at home. Today was an awesome day. Today was Friday, August 8th, and it was an awesome day. The classes got the chance to create their folders, and each class have a take-home folder that they are to bring home every day. Red is for Miss Washington Adams math class. Then we have the color blue. Blue is for Mr. Underwood's math class. And then we have the color green. No, I'm sorry. Take it back. I'm sorry. Green is Mr. Underwood. Green is Mr. Underwood. And blue, hopefully I'm right, blue is Mr. Talbert's homeroom class. Not quite I'm hoping I got it right. Hopefully I got it right. Because today I've seen so many kids and I've done this 3 times. Imagine doing this 3 times in one day. Yeah, it gets a little extensive. Yes, but it's okay. It's quite all right. Inside your folder, you will see several things. You have your 4th grade syllabus in here. Parents, your homework tonight is to read over the syllabus. And when you read over the class syllabus for 4th grade math, then you will sign anywhere, as long as your signature is somewhere on this page by you. Sign that you have read and understand the syllabus. If you have any questions, please feel free to dojo me, because on yesterday I gave out my class dojo code and everything so that parents can log in and join class dojo. Just scan the QR code and you will be able to join class dojo. If you do not have it, please send your child on Monday requesting that maybe I need to give another one, or I need to give one to them in case they didn't get it. But if you also received on Back to School Bash my bio sheet, a little about the teacher, that has the class dojo QR code on it as well, and you can just scan it and you're in. But in here, just look around in it, because we have iReady data sheets. We're doing a lot of responsibility this year. A lot of responsibility. Your child, your scholar is going to be responsible for their own learning. And how you be responsible for your own learning, you make sure that you are tracking your data. basically. If you know your data is not growing, you need to do something. Parents, when you see this sheet come home and we're deep into the year, or not deep, but we're getting in there, and you do not see progress, or you do not see, especially this sheet, if you don't see it growing, it's time to have conversations with our scholars and say, hey, what's going on with this sheet? Parents, you too have to be accountable and responsible for your child's growth and learning. I am accountable and I'm responsible for your child's growth and learning. We're going to be in this together, and we're going to be accountability partners. You're going to be my accountability partner, and I'm going to be your accountability partner. We can do this, and we're definitely going to be the accountability partner for the students, and they are each other's accountability partner within the classroom. Also, we have academic score sheets. When we do assessments and class work assignments and stuff, we put those grades in here too, so you already know what's going on. You even have a sheet for yourself to sign when we take tests and quiz. There will be test and quiz on different skills that we have to do in class. Another I ready. How many lessons have they passed? Knowing the percentage, we're going to set that up. And then moms, parents, guess what? Homework agenda. Yes. This folder, this is why it's so important to have this folder every day, because they have a weekly homework agenda piece. They have to fill out. Yes. They have to fill this piece out. Put what the date, put what the homework is. If they did it, put a check mark. If they didn't, we need to find out. And mom, you should be able to put the check mark, because you're going to check behind them. You're going to inspect what you expect. You expect them to do their homework. I expect them to do their homework. So we're going to inspect what we expect. If we expect excellence, we should inspect and make sure we are moving towards excellence. Because just like OVE, we're moving from good to great. 2.0, game on. So parents, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, your scholar's math teacher, and ask me, because it could be a simple miscommunication. Everything can't be placed in videos also. And if you don't understand something, ask for clarity, dojo me, email me. If you look on our syllabus, there's my email address and also my conference times and days. Yes, all right here. So if there's anything you need of me, please feel free. Please feel free to contact me, because I'm here for the scholars. I'm here to only boost their math knowledge up so they can show people across this world, the United States, the continent, a lot of people, that they, 4th grade, we know our math. We got it. So today in class, we also talked about multiplication war. One class period did. All of them didn't get the chance to do multiplication war because we were building, our folders. And we had to stop and get some things together, but we got it together, because we just can't just throw something together. We do not throw anything together, guys. We can't throw anything together. So that's why two classes didn't get the chance to get to multiplication war. But multiplication war is a math game that they play with a deck of cards, just a standard deck of cards. Remove the face cards out. Keep the aces in. The jacks, queens, kings, and jokers come out, sit to the side. Divvy up or divide up the deck between players. It's basically 2 players against, one-on-one. And you take turns and you drop the cards. Whoever say the multiplication, say you dropped a 2 and your partner dropped a 6. Well, your partner or opponent dropped a 6. 2 times 6, 12. First person say 12 gets the deck. And it keep going until, if you say you mixed it, you said the wrong answer. Say you say 6 times 6 is 42. Oh, you counted too fast. So you didn't get that one, because 6 times 6 is 36. You put that deck, that pair, in the middle. So when it comes up to time for for the next person. If they get theirs right, they get that pair and the pair they got right. It's a fun game. It is a fun game, and not only is it fun, it helps them with their fat fluency of their timetables, and that's something you can do at home this weekend. So if you just got a deck of cards somewhere just sitting around, you're not using them for the weekend, guess what? Play multiplication war. It's a fun game. It is truly a fun game. And one more thing before I let you go, parents, because I know we got to get ready for our weekend and get relaxed from this 2-day back to school, which was, yeah, it can take a toll on you. We had people going to sleep. Would you believe it? Yes, they were going to sleep. So I had to tell them, hey, you got to take a nap. You got to take a nap at night. Go to bed at night because you can't sleep in my class. You can't sleep in my class. You sleep in my class, you owe me time, and you don't want to owe me time. Parents, don't have your babies on me time. Let them go to bed. Make them go to bed. They know what is what. And ask them what would happen if they miss one day of math class. They should be able to tell you, Mom, if I miss one day of math class, it's not good because I'm going to be behind. And we don't want to be behind. Math is a subject you do not. I repeat, math is a subject you do not want to be behind in. You have to come to school because attendance matter. Yes. Even day one, attendance mattered. Yes, so much went on in day one. So much went on today. And when you in math class, we can't go back to bring you forward because you wasn't here. No, you have to be at school. Have to. It is a must. It is pertinent that you be at school every day for math class. And math goes on every day. Yes, it does. Every day. But again, one more thing before I leave so we can get to our break. Get to our weekend and just have a break. Just relax, relax, and release. Yes. The kids will have lockers. They picked their lockers on yesterday, Thursday. Yes, we had locker pick day. So if you wasn't here first day, you didn't get a chance to get the cream of the creme. No, you got to get what's left. Oh, wow. Because we're hoping to have about 80 students. 80. Yeah, close to 80 students in 4th grade. But you got to come to school. You got to come to school, guys. You got to come to school. And they got lockers on, they picked their lockers out. But we're working on getting combinations set for the lockers so everyone can be able to get their things in their locker. And we will talk a little more about locker routine and guidelines. So look out for that video as well, because I hopefully will have the team members to be on that as well with me, speaking of it, and showing a video on how to get into their lockers. So guys, again, I am Miss Kelly Washington Adams. I am a 4th grade teacher here at OVE. I am truly excited for this school year. I'm ready. Because like we said, our mantra this year is Game On 2.0. Moving from good to great 2.0. Game on. So guys, have a most marvelous, wonderful, safe, and cool weekend. And I see you scholars on Monday, August 11th. Have a wonderful, great weekend. And thank you, parents. Bye-bye.